Hi, welcome to Autocamin. In this video, I am going to show how to activate RealView Graphics in Solidcam integrated with SolidWorks. We close the part for now and search for the Regedity editor in the search bar. Once we open Regedity editor, we need to open the H key current user and open the softwares and search for the Solidcam in the list. We can see Solidcam, SolidWorks in row, but as our main software is Solidcam, we need to open Solidcam. There see this Solidcam versions you have in your system, and right next to that you'll have the Solidcam CAD of your existing version. Open that and look for Allow List. In the Allow List in the current folder, you can see the graphics card currently being used in your system. If you are unsure which graphics card you have, you can copy and paste the information from here. For the next step, you need to find the G2 Shaders folder and navigate to the NV40 directory. Right-click on the NV40, create a new key, and paste the graphics card information you copied earlier. This will create a new folder with your graphics card name. Right-click on the newly created folder. This time, create a DWORD 32-bit value file and name it Workarounds with a capital W. Double-click the file and change the value data to 31480. It should work with irrespective to your graphic card. If not, please try with 30480 or 32480. On of these should work definitely. Now, you should see that RealView Graphics has been successfully activated. This enhancement allows your 3D model to appear more realistic, with improved lighting, shading, and reflections. If everything is set up correctly, your part should now have a more lifelike appearance, closely resembling real-world materials and textures. But if RealView Graphics is still not activated, you may need to download the SolidWorks patch file. This patch helps your professional graphics card get recognized for RealView and enhance graphic performance in SolidWorks. For that patch file, you need to search for RealView Graphics SolidWorks 2024, or you can download it directly from the link provided in the description below. If you search in Google, scroll down for SolidWorks RealView Graphics 2024 and open it. On that page, you'll find the latest information about graphics cards that support RealView Graphics. Once you open the link, you'll see a list of patch versions based on different SolidWorks versions. Download the patch file that matches your SolidWorks version. Since I am using SolidWorks 2024, I will download the patch for this version. Once the download is complete, proceed with the installation. Make sure to grant all the necessary permissions when prompted to ensure a smooth installation process. After the installation is finished, reopen SolidWorks, and RealView Graphics should now be activated. I hope this information was helpful. If you're interested in more CAD/CAM training videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.